How to enable ghost mode on Snapchat. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, we'll learn how to enable or disable ghost mode on Snapchat. This process is simple and works for both Android and iOS devices. So now let's get started. First of all, you have to ensure that you're connected to your internet. Install the latest version of Snapchat application on your mobile device. Once you open your Snapchat, tap on your profile icon and then click on the gear icon in the top right corner of the screen. Scroll down until you see the option of See My Location in the privacy control setting. Click on it. At the top of the setting, you will see the ghost mode option on. To disable the ghost mode, simply toggle it off and you will see that it has been successfully disabled. If you want to enable ghost mode again, toggle it back on and you can choose a specific duration for the ghost mode. For example, you can select 24 hours and once activated, your Bitmoji will be hidden and the Snapchat icon will indicate that the ghost mode is on. So this was all about it. This is exactly how you can enable the ghost mode on Snapchat. If you found this guide helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.